Hello guys, for objection back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you something a little bit different. This is a Ninebot S Plus. This is the new version from Ninebot 2019. This is S. It's a little bit different from the normal version. It's motor a little bit better, more speedy, and battery holding more. Because you guys, you know, every time Ninebot make new version, she do better performance. So let's get a look about the Ninebot S Plus 2019 and discover what is there. We have here the catalog, as you guys see. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we have the screwdriver, the two spikes, and the cover. Okay, the charge socket, the bumper for air, the converter, and the charge. And we have the remote. Okay. Oh wait, we have something else here. This is the USB cable for charging, you know. It's type USB normal, not type C. It's to charge the remote control. Okay? So this is all what we have here. It looks gorgeous. And we have here the baby. Let's see what we have here. They said it's a little bit different, you know. As I contact Ninebot, they told me that this S version, it's a little bit better, and they send me exclusive version for me as the first dealer with Ninebot. I'm the first guy who got the S. So as we see here, we have for the remote control. Look guys, as the shape is same as the Ninebot Mini Plus, but S is a little bit better performance. You got me? Let's get out the baby. Oh, it's really heavy. Voila. Looks different. So it's a little bit different. Does we have something here missing in the box? No, that's it. Okay, here's the Ninebot Mini. So let's see here the lights, and look here. It looks more luxury. I don't know how to tell you. It looks more better. So guys, this is all what I can tell you at the moment about the Ninebot S Plus. Sorry. It's new version, you know. I'm really confused. I've never seen it before. They call me, they say for me, come and box it and you have one for free. So this is the Ninebot S Plus 2019. So guys, I would like to tell you, don't forget to subscribe and follow me in my channels and put thumbs up, and we'll see you again for off-road, on-road. I will tell you how's the suspension for the Ninebot, how speed, it's more speedy, how's the motor, how's the power, how's the angle, how much it can take, 25 or more, because here they say that it can take 30 degrees. This is so fucking incredible. So guys, we'll see you again in another video with Xiaomi for objection. Peace, Allah for everyone. I'm so hungry, starving, I have to go eat.